So, okay, now particularly, let's say, okay, when this logic thing comes into picture, cons comes into picture, okay, as you said that people are more in towards, completing the syllabus, okay, and all of that. But what time, okay, according to you, okay, you think that, okay, this is the time where you can start giving mocks, okay, and from there you can start analyzing it.
I think if you are having a personal connect with your teacher is the best person to guide you. Instead of simply taking any random guesses or doing a trial and error, how about you follow your teacher, because they are doing it since a long time. It's like been there, done that for them. So just trust your teacher, whatever they're guiding you, and see if you are getting your desired results or not. If you're not, then again talk to them what is not working. I'm sure they'll be able to guide you with all their expertise and experience in that field.